Mumbai police have arrested a 19-year-old teenager from Warangal in Telangana, Ganesh Ramesh Vanpardhi, and a 21-year-old named Shadab Khan from Gujarat for allegedly sending threatening emails to Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries. The arrest of Vanpardhi was made possible by tracing the IP address from which he sent an email demanding ransom following a complaint by Ambani's security in charge Devendra Munsira, leading to a case filed with the Gamdevi police. Vanpardhi was presented before the court and his custody has been extended until November 8. Mukesh Ambani had been receiving multiple threatening emails in the days prior. The first email seeking Rs 20 crore was sent by an unidentified sender, followed by another demanding Rs 200 crore. A third threat warned that Ambani would be killed if he did not pay Rs 400 crore. Vanpardhi and Khan used different email IDs to send these threats, and the police are currently investigating whether these email IDs are genuine or if the emails were sent using fake identities. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.